Today's look is a simple look that you can do while on holiday. So I'm starting off with the Amora Beauty. This is the Skin 1004. This is the sun serum. So this is my sunscreen. Now I've already done my décolletage on my shoulders. I actually put a tint on to give myself a little bit more color in my skin. So I haven't been tanning. Now, the base that I'm using is the Revlon Illuminance. Now, this is a really nice one. I find this quite a medium coverage. It's got that sort of dewy look to it, and I felt that it would be perfect for while I'm away. So, I'm currently away on a yoga retreat up in North Queensland in Australia, and it is beautiful, hot, and sunny here at the moment. So, we are definitely getting some relaxation in. But I thought while I was here, I'd just love to show you a very quick and easy makeup that I can do or that you can do when you're on holidays, just to give you that little bit of a sun-kissed glow. And if you're going out for dinner or something like that, something just a little bit more special to wear. So I'm just buffing this in with my foundation brush. This is one of the Morphe brushes by Ariel. It's his collection. Now I'm going to really warm up the face with the McoBeauty Contour wand, and I'm putting more on than I normally do. Because my body is a bit more tanned, I really want to bring that tan into my face, and I'll bring it in with this contour wand. So I'm using it down the tip of my nose as well, just to contour that area and really give my face that nice flush of color to look like that I've been out in the sun and I'm really nicely sun-kissed. So I'm trying to just avoid my headband here. Don't want to get too much product on there. I am wearing a little bit of a twin set, so I'll show you at the end this jumpsuit, this little outfit as well, and my headband just to keep the hair out of the way. And I did contour down the nose, and I'm just going to go up into that eye socket area, as you can see, just even though this brush is big, just placing that through. Now, before I go any further, I'm going to comb out my brows. I'm using the Rumi Cosmetics. This is the Power Brow. I do love this product. The spoolie wand is really easy to use. And as always, I go in with the outer corner of my brows first, fix up where I'm sort of lacking some hairs, and then come to the center. I have found my brows have thinned as I've got older. Now, you can use any contour powder product for this. This is the Youngblood. This is in Soleil, and any contour powder. So doesn't matter what you have, and you're just going to place it right in the outer socket of your eye there and run it through the crease. I'm running it through that nose area as well. And just make sure you place it right in that outer corner and up onto that brow bone, mainly on that brow bone if you need that little bit of lift, especially if your eyes are starting to hood like mine, creates a really nice bit of lift. The great idea of using this contour product is you are actually going to use this on your face as well. So it just really creates that nice cohesive look, and it sort of just looks like this is normal, like this is just a really nice natural kind of way to wear makeup without wearing too much makeup. So perfect holiday makeup. And I'm running a small amount of that same contour product underneath the lash line there and just using a more detailed brush to do this. So just running it through and really sort of getting it right under those lashes. Same product, larger brush, and I'm just going to go over where we used that nice creamy contour by McoBeauty, and I'm just really buffing that in along the jawline there and really just giving myself that extra look of being sun-kissed and tanned. So really would look like I'm on holiday. This is the Poni Cosmetics. This is the blue eyeshadow palette. This is their lightest sort of highlighter shade. And I'm just placing that with my finger on the ball of my eye and into the inner corner. This just creates that really nice little bit of pop. Now you can just use like more of a matte shade for this, but make sure it's just nice and light. And that just brings your eyes forward. Another Rumi Cosmetics product. This is the eyeliner. I love it. So nice and creamy, easy to use. And I'm just placing it really close to that lash line. Again, like I always do, a baby wing, and this filling in that corner. I do like to also place it up into that tight line because it just adds weight to the top of the eye without taking over the eyeshadow, and a little bit on that bottom lash line as well. Same again on the other eye, just running it into that lash line just to give that definition and really shape those eyes. Once again, pulling out that little baby wing and then up into the tight line. And you find this tight line is a great way of adding weight to the eyes and just more drama. So this is also a Rumi Cosmetics product. This is their black mascara. I love this mascara because it is smudge proof and it does tend to sort of really add a little bit of volume and length to my lashes and doesn't clump them together. I always put a small amount on those bottom lashes. Little tip, if you find your lashes are quite long, I would do the bottom lashes first and then go in and do the top lashes. So just sweeping that through, top and bottom, just for that definition. This is a Silk Oil of Morocco product. This is called Coral Rose. So it's a cream blush, and I'm putting it quite high on the cheekbones. And then I'm just grabbing my foundation brush and just pushing that into the skin. Just want that lovely glow and flush of color. Love this product. Now I'm just setting the makeup with the medium rice setting powder. Just really using a detailed brush for this to get rid of any excess oil. And here's the final look. Haven't put my shoes on, but nice and